In this video, we will go over some of the different ways to make dashboards work for you. Here we have a dashboard designed to show you all of the current loads and whether or not they are assigned to a trip. We can see which loads are assigned to a trip as they are highlighted in green. We also use red to indicate that there is no driver, truck, or trailer currently assigned. This makes it easier to quickly see what you want as it is happening, and it will automatically refresh to keep the data current. Dashboards will allow us to have multiple views that we can easily switch between. Let's put these two views together so we have our loads and our trucks all on the same screen. We can drag and drop the view into the position that we want. Then simply adjust the view to get it exactly how we want it. Now we will filter the dashboard to show us unassigned loads. To do this, we can use the Group By feature. This allows us to drag and drop the columns we want to filter by. If the Group By box is not visible, just right-click on the column heading and select Show Group By Box. Here we can drag and drop the Assigned to Trip column into the Group By box. Then click the arrow to show the information. We can also sort the columns by clicking on the name of the column. Now we have both unassigned loads and trucks together in one screen. Here we have a dashboard view that shows the active drivers with loads assigned tomorrow. For each of the active drivers, it lists the number of loads they have assigned tomorrow, whether or not they have tomorrow off, and the dates they are off work. We highlight the drivers in red if they are off work tomorrow, and we use blue to indicate that they don't have any loads assigned. This helps dispatchers easily see which drivers are available for loads. This dashboard shows active equipment with assignments. It lists all the active trucks and trailers as well as the drivers who have the equipment assigned to them. It displays whether or not the equipment is down and any notes as to why it might be down. If the equipment is down, it is highlighted in yellow. If one piece of equipment is assigned to more than one driver, it is highlighted in red. With dashboards, we can do a lot more than just display information in lists. There are a number of different ways that we can display the same information graphically. Here's a graph of all the current drivers that shows us each driver's hours for the current week, along with their total miles. We have this information sorted by the least amount of miles on this graph. We can add many different visual cues, such as this red line, to indicate that the driver has gone over a certain number of hours for the week. Here we have a graph with the hours and miles by trailer. The data is organized by the most miles for the week. This last graph shows similar data with the hours and miles, but this one shows truck information instead. These are just a few of the many ways that dashboards can help improve your business operations. Thanks for watching.